Protecting yourself from cyber threats, your digital guardian guide. The Dark Armada, recognizing common cyber threats. Imagine pirates, not of the high seas, but of the digital realm. These cyber buccaneers come in many forms: theft-phishing fiends, deceptive emails and messages, disguised as legitimate sources, lure you into revealing personal information or clicking malicious links. Be wary of any unsolicited messages urging immediate action, especially those offering too good to be true deals or threatening dire consequences. The malware menace. These digital viruses and Trojans sneak onto your devices, disguised as harmless apps or files. Once on board, they wreak havoc, stealing data, disrupting systems, or holding your files hostage for ransom. Keep your software updated and stick to trusted sources for downloads. The social engineering savants, masters of manipulation. These digital con artists exploit human trust and curiosity. They may fabricate sob stories, pose as friends or colleagues, or offer tempting insider information to gain your trust and extract valuable information. Remember, something seems too good to be true, it probably is. The password pirates. Weak passwords are like flimsy locks on a treasure chest. Hackers easily crack them, plundering your online accounts and wreaking havoc. Choose strong, unique passwords for each account, and consider secure password managers to keep them safe. The online scam sirens, from fake investment schemes to catfishing romance scams. The internet buzzes with deceptive online traps. Always research before investing. Be cautious about befriending strangers online. And never send money to someone you haven't met in person. Building your cyber fortress. Essential cybersecurity practices. Now, let's build your digital fortress, a bastion against these cyber threats. The impregnable gate. Secure your online accounts. Fortify your online castles with strong, unique passwords and the unwavering shield of two-factor authentication. Remember, your information is a precious treasure. Guard it well. The Vigilant Watchtower. Protect your devices. Keep your software and operating systems updated. Just like a vigilant guard patching up the castle walls. Utilize a reliable antivirus, your digital knight in shining armor, to repel malware intrusions. The Charted Course. Browse safely. When navigating the digital seas, stick to known waters. Avoid suspicious links and websites, those shrouded in fog and whispers of danger. Use only trusted sources for downloads, like a skilled navigator relying on reliable maps.